Alright, here's a trade that I took today, and I forgot to turn the recording on after I entered, and then also I had my mic muted the entire time, so I gotta redo it. So here's the context real quick. I hope you can see this easily. We've had this downtrend. Yesterday was a major downtrend, and we kind of had this break and then pushed to a new low. So I was playing off of this wedge right here. So 1, 2, 3, and we had this strong bull bar right after the biggest bear bar at the end of a trend. So that was kind of my first indicator. So we had H1, then we had a bear bar, and now we have another bull bar closing on its high. So I figured we could at least get to here because people most likely bought this close, maybe, I'm not sure. But that was just kind of the context. I kind of like doing it this way so I can kind of speed things up. So I was needing a really strong close above this EMA, and I wanted some gaps above the EMA, and that would kind of signal that the bears have lost control and the bulls are now able to put bars above the EMA. So I'm going to fast forward here. The wick was a little concerning, but I knew that if, as we're going up, the bars are getting bigger, that's a good sign that momentum is getting stronger. So we had a good close on this, and I was really looking for a, if it breaks above this. So now we're kind of out of the wedge territory of, like right here, if we had 1, 2, and then maybe like a little baby close right here. Let me fast forward here. So we broke above it, so now I know people have bought above that bar, and we had kind of bad follow through right here that ended in a doji. Now if that would have closed like a strong bear, I would have moved my stop probably to below that, and then waited for another double bottom over here somewhere. But as you can see, kind of had to play around a little bit. I'm just going to keep skipping all the boring stuff. And I knew if we could get above this bar, we're probably going to break out. So once it triggered, I was feeling pretty good. And this, the reason why my target is here is I just did 2 to 1. I knew this was a decent setup, and I just went 2 to 1. Since the open is so close, I probably could have put it the open at least for a test of the open. But I didn't know if it was going to play out like 1 pullback 2 legs. So, and then also I was a little concerned, we could have like a little minor wedge right here, but that's a strong bull bar. So I went ahead and moved my stop to below that. Now I for sure am going to make money, and I'm looking to get out right at my 2. So that was the trade for today.